Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on filter comments on other pins on your accounts on Pinterest. Easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click here. Now click settings. Now click social permissions and here you will find filter comments on other pins. Just click on it like this and it will be turned on. And here if you want to add words or phrases, and after this click save and it will be saved. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.